Have you recently heard the term smart contract? If you have, you might be wondering what that is. You aren't alone. Although the technology powering smart contracts remains fresh, it appears to provide a secure, reliable, cost-effective method of drawing up an agreement with other parties. There are plans to introduce these into multiple industries as a new and improved means of drawing an agreement. So, if you want to keep up with the times, it's best to know what smart contracts are. Today, we'll go over with you what they are, their advantages, and their future outlook. Let's get started. Smart contracts. A smart contract is a blockchain-based application that lays out the terms of an agreement between two parties as well as automatically enforces them. The most basic smart contracts are taking care of financial transactions based on an if-then algorithm. This algorithm would state that if a buyer pays a certain price for a certain item, they will receive it at a certain time. In this case, the seller doesn't need to arrange anything to ensure the goods are released. The transaction is finalized automatically within the blockchain once the buyer meets the terms. Such smart contracts are used to run an initial coin offering or ICO. If the buyer sends X amount of Ether, then they'll receive X amount of tokens at the close of the ICO. These algorithms are mostly created within the Ethereum blockchain, although there are rivals to Ethereum emerging, such as Stellar, NEO, QTUM, and many more. Advantages. A major advantage of smart contracts is security. When contracts are stored in the blockchain, they are decentralized, meaning there's no risk of them being lost or corrupted. The contracts are encrypted, ensuring privacy, while the immutable nature of the blockchain makes it impossible to amend the contract without the other party signing this off. Smart contracts are also extremely reliable. Contract disputes will become a thing of the past with this technology, as the end result is only triggered when all terms written in the algorithm are met. It looks likely that smart contracts will be used to decide the outcomes of insurance claims in the near future, putting an end to disputed verdicts in this industry. The fact that an intelligent computer algorithm decides the outcome of contract disputes rather than a human should bring extra peace of mind to both parties involved. Smart contracts also save you money. Without the need for a third party to ensure both parties involved have met their side of the agreement, everyone saves money. The use of blockchain to solve insurance claim disputes has been tipped to significantly decrease the running costs of insurance companies. It's hoped these savings on running costs will lead to lower premiums across the board. The future. Right now, the only smart contracts in use are very basic in nature. The technology also oversees the release of information and protects copyrighted material, among other things. As a result, it has been suggested that there may not be a need in the future for traditional record labels, stock image depositories, transport apps, or even political polling booths. But smart contract technology is still in its early days for many of these projects, with many flaws to iron out, but it appears as if smart contracts will be disrupting many industries within the next few years. The possibilities are limitless. If it can be imagined, it can probably be created within the Ethereum blockchain. If you're interested in making the most of smart contract technology, contact us today. And if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.